Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to save draw.io as PDF. So first, go to your diagram or project and here, click on the file on the top left. Now, go to export as and here, choose PDF. And after that, change these settings on your needs, and for example, I'll have a grid, transparent background and grid, and click on export. Have a title, for example, how to, then you can save it on your Google Drive, pick a folder on your Google Drive, on your OneDrive, GitHub, or downloads. After you select that, click on save, wait for it to load up, and that's basically it.